How to use NotebookLM for voiceover. So the first step is to make sure you have your sources and you have generated some sort of content on the notebook. Basically, you just need some content here. Once you have added content, you can now scroll to the bottom and now request that your conversation here or the explanation here should be made into a script that can be used for voiceovers. So basically just type that out. Once you've typed this out, just go ahead and click on send here, and it's going to turn this into a script for voiceovers. Now, the next step you're going to be taking after the script has been generated is just open up a new tab and simply search for a platform that offers voiceover services, which in this case would be 11 Labs. So go ahead and simply search for 11 Labs AI and simply open up their website. So that is 11labs.io. Click on this option and it's going to open up. Now, the next step is to simply log into your account and then paste the script you had copied directly from NotebookLM. In some cases, it may appear with scenes. That is, scenes you could use if you're using a generative AI. You could enter this as the scene that should be showcased. But basically, this is what it looks like with just the voiceovers. And then you can just simply copy the voiceover and simply paste it on the 11 Labs software, and you'd have your narration completed. All right.